Namaskar. Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Madan Mandari from Biswajyoti. Today I am going to teach online class for class 9 Science Unit 1 Measurement. We already discussed about this chapter in previous class also. Today also discuss about the measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is a comparison of unknown quantity with non-standard quantity is known as measurement. Measurement is a comparison of unknown quantity with non-standard quantity is known as measurement. थाहा नभएको कुनै पनि अब्जेक्ट को मेजर थाहा पाउनुलाई नि के भनिन्छ मेजरमेन्ट भन्छ के भन्छ मेजरमेन्ट. That measurement is very important or it is used in our daily life. It helps to give the exact value, it helps to buy and sell goods, it is used in cooking food, it is used for the construct the building, it is used in different sector. They are used in hospital, marketing, all their sector. It helps to give the exact and truth value. There are different things and events are around us. There are different things and events are around us. Some are measurable, some are non-measurable. Some are measurable, some are non-measurable. Some are only suppose, cannot be measured. What is physical quantities? Those quantity which can be measurable or those quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly is known as physical quantity. The example of physical quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, amount of substances, luminous intensity. They are the example of physical quantity. They are the example of physical quantities. Non-physical quantities, those quantity which cannot be measured or those quantity which cannot be measured directly or indirectly is known as non-physical quantities. That is only suppose. The example of non-physical quantities are love, emotion, feeling, boring, tension. That is the example of non-physical quantity. How many percent love? That is only suppose. 20%, 50%, 30%. That cannot be measured. Only suppose. That is non-physical quantity. And physical quantity, the physical quantity is classified the two types. How many types? Two types. Number one, fundamental physical quantities. Number two, derived physical quantity. Physical quantity is divided into two groups. What are they? Fundamental and derived. What is fundamental physical quantities? Those physical quantities which are independent to each other is known as fundamental physical quantities. They have own identity. They are independent to each other. There are only 7. There includes only 7 physical quantities. They are mass, length, time, temperature, amount of substances, luminous intensity. That are the example of fundamental physical quantity. They have only independent for other quantity. They have own identity. Next, derived physical quantity. Those quantity which are dependent or those quantity which are derived from fundamental quantities or those quantity which are formed by the combination of fundamental physical quantities. They do not have own identity. They are dependent to each other. So it is called the derived physical quantity. There are several derived physical quantities. They are speed, velocity, density, force, momentum, kinetic energy, potential energy. There are several kinds of derived physical quantities. They are dependent. They are formed by the combination of fundamental physical quantities. Units. What is units? The standard reference quantity, which is used for the comparison with unknown quantity, is known as unit. The unit is the standard reference quantity which is used for the comparison with an unknown quantity is known as units. Units is also two types. How many types? Two types. What are they? They are fundamental units and derived unit. What is fundamental units? Those units which are independent with other units, and they have own identity. So that is called the fundamental units or basic unit. It is also called the basic unit. They also involve only 7 units. They are meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, mole, candela. That is the example of fundamental units. Other all are derived units. Why? The unit of length is called fundamental unit because these units are independent. Independent to the other units, and they have own identity. So it is called the fundamental unit. Derived unit means those units which are dependent, which are formed by the combination of fundamental units. That is called the derived unit. There are several units of derived units. They are meter per second square, kg per meter cube, Newton, watt, joule. That are the example of derived units. They are formed by the combination of fundamental unit. Here for the system of unit, the common system of units are measurement of physical quantity. They are CGS system, MKS system, FPS system, and SI system. What do you mean by MKS system? The system of measurement. Length. MKS. The system of measurement, length is measured in. The system of measurement, the length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time is measured in second, is known as MKS system. MKS system means the system of length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time is measured in second, is known as MKS system. MKS system also called the metric system. MKS system also called the metric system. And CGS system, the system of measurement. The length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, time is measured in second, is known as CGS system. It also called the French system. FPS system also same. The system of measurement, the length is measured in foot, and mass is measured in pound, time is measured in second, is known as FPS system. SI system, the extended version of MKS system. Is known as SI system. Why SI system is extended version of MKS system? Because MKS system only includes 3 physical quantity, but SI system includes 7 physical quantity. So it is called the SI system is extended version of MKS system. extended version of MKS system. The unit of power is called derived unit. Why? Or prove the unit of power is derived. The unit of power is derived unit. Why? Derived unit. Why? Or prove that the unit of power is derived unit. Derived unit. What is power? The rate of doing work. Yes, the rate of doing work is called power. Means power equal to work done upon time. First of all, in words we can say also derived unit. Why the power unit of power is derived? Because these units are formed by the combination of two or more fundamental units, and so it is called the derived unit. In mathematical term we can also derive. In mathematical term we can also derive. What is the unit of power? What is the unit of power? Power, we know that power equal to work done upon time taken. P equal to W by T. What the unit of work done? The unit of work done is joule. Joule is fundamental unit? No. We calculate in formula. What the formula of work done? F into D. Force into displacement. Upon time. Force into displacement. Therefore W equal to F into D. What is the unit of force? The unit of force is Newton. Newton also not fundamental unit. We write in formula. Right here, F means ma into D upon T. Therefore, F equal to ma. What is the unit of mass? Mass is K. Unit of mass is kg. Kg is fundamental unit. Yes. We write here kg. And what is the unit of acceleration? Meter per second square. And what is the unit of distance? Meter. What is the unit of time? Second. Second. These all are fundamental units. They are formed by the combination of two or more fundamental units. Right here kg. Your power 1. How many meter here? 2. M को power 2, S को power minus 2, yes, you write here S को power minus 1. We write here kg meter square, S को power minus 3. That these units are involved. Involved in what? They are formed by the combination of two or more fundamental units. Thus, the unit of power is called the derived unit. It is formed by the combination of two or more fundamental units. That kg, meter, second. So it is called the derived unit. That is the mathematical proof. In order, we can say also these units are formed by the combination of two or more fundamental units. So it is called the derived units. Same also the unit of force also derived unit. Why? We know that the Newton is the unit of force. Newton also unit of force. We know that force equal to ma. Mass into acceleration. Thank you. र हजुरहरुलाई मैले विद्यार्थी नानीबाबुहरुलाई मैले केही होमवर्कहरु यो च्याप्टर केही होमवर्कहरु मैले फेसबुकमा स्कुलको वेबसाइटमा मैले पोस्ट गर्ने छु। हजुरहरुले त्यो पोस्ट गरेको होमवर्कलाई सल्भ गरेर त्यही हाम्रो विश्वज्योतिको पेजमा पोस्ट गर्नु होला हजुरहरुलाई। र अरु बाँकी केही रहेको अर्को हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासमा मैले कम्प्लिट गर्ने छु। हस्त।